Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know we got to talk about Friday's whisper. So Friday, I was bullish on MT after spotting a ton of price action at this 894 level pre-market. My first trade was from 9 to 9:20, and you can see it popped up before the market even opened. Now, sometimes the trade happens before it opens and we don't get a chance to execute it. That's okay. Let's move on to the next trade. The next trade I had was USO, and I was bearish below $15.87. And you can see as soon as it broke down below that, look at that slide. Leslie, aka Glider Girl, Fire Girl, we have so many nicknames for this girl. She was hot. She was rocking SEO, the Bear ETF. She was scaling out 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points. Very hard to keep up with that girl. She was really great trading, Leslie. Also, had my eye on GDX. That was another stock. Levels are so important. When it doesn't happen, when it doesn't break a level, I don't take the trade and I move on to something else. I was bearish below 13.50, and you can see it had a pop and never broke down below that, but watch it today. It doesn't have 100,000 shares coming in there, but gold is showing weakness. The dollar is rising up there. Let's check out the UUP. It certainly is. Now, there were a huge price action in the past couple months, all right, at 25.50, 58. If we break above that, the sky is the limit, and the dollar is most likely going to pop up pretty big. All right, the other stock I had on my list, Friday's whisper, is BRCD. I was swinging this overnight with a couple of the few Java Pit members because we spotted this huge print on Thursday. Look at that. And this thing had such a great pop-up. I got out after seeing sellers at that 10.50 level. It's a great trade. Also, AMAT, actually still in part of this trade. This was a great trade. I was bearish below $17.65. If you recall, I spotted a pretty big print there, and this thing came all the way down to 17.35. Still love it on the short side. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, I'll just tell you my SPY levels first. SPY seems to be moving around. So we had huge price action at 210.41, right around here. So I'm definitely going to use that level, all right, as a marker. Bullish above, bearish below, but we had a lot of price action on Friday, dark pool sell prints at this 210.80 level. So I would be bullish above there and bearish below 210.40 on that one. But I have my eye on FTR, came out with earnings, and you can see 740,000 shares of volume is already coming in here. At 5 is definitely a level. Bullish above. There's a lot of room to the upside, 525 on this one. And also have my eye on Tyson, TSN, claiming cattle. Lack of a cattle drought. That's why the prices, earnings were not good. Saw a big print. I don't really care about the earnings. I only care where the price action is. So 40.75 is the level. You can see it on my block trade indicator. Going to be bearish below that. You can see it's fallen below, and I drew this trend line here on my chart. All right, 40 is the next major level down on this guy. And also have my eye on MU. We spotted tons of prints at that 19 level, and the cowboy, he was the trader of the day on Friday. This guy rocked Netflix, 100% ROI. He rocked MU, he rocked HTZ, and Sunni, he was hot. In fact, he was hot all week long. So thank you, Cowboy, for sharing all of your fantastic trades with us all day long. And also got to mention Ron, shout out to him. He had the most perfect entry on the SPY puts on Friday. Great entry, Ron. All right, so come watch me trade these stocks along with my amazing traders at the JavaBit Trading Room at www.stockwhisper.com. Happy trading, everybody.